Okay, guys, we are coming to the end of this chapter and section 147. 147, punishment for contravention. Sir, what is this section all about? You can see I have already marked so many things ready for you over here. What is this provision? Point number 1 says, if any provisions given under section 139 to 146 are contravened, 139 to 146, if any provisions are contravened, then the penalty will be as follows. Penalty will be as follows. On the company, fine minimum 25,000 rupees to maximum 5 lakh rupees. Officer in default, minimum 10,000 rupees, maximum 1 lakh rupees. 25,000 to 5 lakhs, 10,000 to 1 lakh for company, for officer in default. Point number 1. Point number 2. If auditor contravenes the provision, talking about auditor, if auditor has contravened any provision, then he should definitely be punished more, right? He's a professional. How can he contravene the provisions? They are saying, if the auditor has contravened any provisions given under section 139, 144, 145, then he will be punishable with minimum 25,000, only minimum 25,000. Yes, minimum 25. Maximum will be 5 lakhs or 4 times the amount of remuneration received by such auditor. 5 times or 4 times the amount of remuneration received by the auditor, whichever is less. But if we come to know that such contravention by the auditor was intentionally, knowingly, willfully, with the intention to deceive the members or creditors or tax authorities or anybody, then the punishment will be rigorous. It will be how much? Imprisonment, extend up to 1 year. Wait. And is there, and it is not or fine. Imprisonment and fine is there. Minimum is 50,000, which can extend up to 25 lakhs or 8 times the amount of remuneration received, whichever is less. Whoa. That's huge. But yes, you did a fraud also, right? You did a fraud also. So that has to be huge. Am I right or am I right? Everybody, is that clear? Yes. Okay. Then they are saying where the auditor is convicted for the punishment as given above, 4 times or 8 times the amount of remuneration. That will be the punishment. Plus, over and above that, he will be liable to refund whatever amount of remuneration he has received and pay the damages to those people who have suffered losses because of the auditor. Yes. So this is over and above the penalty that you are going to pay. Plus, the central government shall specify which particular authority will be required to recover this penalty or punishment amount from the auditors also. So they are saying which particular statutory authority will be required to ensure prompt payment of the damages to all the people who have suffered losses. They should be paid for their damages. Which authority will look after it? Central government will appoint such authority, appoint such person, and order such person that such body shall, after the payment of the damages is done, file a report to the CG confirming that as per the order of CG, they have ensured that whoever has suffered any kind of damages over here have been repaid with such damages. Is that clear? Yes. Where in case of audit, which is done by audit firm, yes, in that case, so many partners will be there. Of course, all the partners who have acted in a fraudulent manner or abetted or colluded on any matter where any fraud has been involved. Yes, they are saying every partner will be jointly and severally liable for such act. But if it is a criminal liability means imprisonment is attracted, then it is criminal liability, then all partners will not go to jail. No. Then only those partners who acted in a fraudulent manner shall only be liable for such criminal liability, that is basically imprisonment. All the partners will not go to jail. No, it doesn't make sense. Understood? Are yes or no? And after that you have 148. Central government may specify the items, audit of the items of cost in respect of certain companies. This is the section for cost audit. By CMAs, normally it is done. Yes, the cost accountants that we call, cost and management accountants we call them. So this is an section for them. You are my CA or CS, the student. This section is not very relevant for you. They don't even ask anything from this in your exams also. Just for knowledge purpose, I have given it over here. If it was a class notes, if this would have been a regular offline class, I wouldn't have even included this section over here. Understood? Only remember, as per section 148, a cost auditor who is doing the cost audit of the items specified by the cost management institute, the central government, whoever has specified you are doing it, comply with all the rules and regulations and laws that are applicable on you, all the standards that are applicable in you. And if you don't comply, we have already talked about punishment earlier also. Yes, mutatis mutandis. We had, if you remember the word, I had marked it for you as it is. The punishment we have given over there, the CS, the CA, the CMA, everyone is liable to report the frauds accordingly in the same manner. Otherwise, the punishment also will be mutatis mutandis for all. Okay, so this is a pretty easy, pretty simple section that you have to read 148 to be read on your own. First finish this, and then after you finish this, I am announcing that is the end of your chapter, my dear friends. And if you have been going in the same sequence as I have given the videos, that is the end of your corporate law syllabus. That is the end of your corporate law syllabus. If you have also finished the other laws video, do not forget to watch the last video which I have given over there in the name of words of wisdom. That is compulsory watch, must watch video, very much relevant from your exam perspective also. Some exam tips are also what I've given over there, and some words, true words of motivation for you, which might help you to focus for your exams. Yes. On that note, if you are watching this video as the last video, then first of all, I would like to apologize for any mistakes that I might have done. If I might have cracked the joke, which might have hurt you or any of your sentiments. Honestly speaking, guys, it was only and only from the perspective of explaining the concept to you by means of making some example. So in case by mistake also I have hurted anybody's personal sentiments or anything, sincerest apologies. Remember, you and I are working on the same goal, that you have to score minimum 60 in the law paper. We are not targeting anything less than 60. Passing is 60. Yes or no? For us, passing is 60. And whatever I did, whatever examples I made, it was all only and only to achieve that goal. I wish you all the very best. Watch the words of wisdom videos which will follow after this. And then if you have any queries, yes, I am giving you my WhatsApp number over here. You can note it down. Do not send me good morning and good night messages. Please, I will wake up and sleep on my own. Do not call on this number, WhatsApp only. And anything you want, you can otherwise WhatsApp me. Feel free to talk. Feel free to share your feelings. Feel free to give your opinion, how you liked the class or you did not like the class, or if you have any opinion for me. Yes, there is always a room for improvement. We have made sure more than 5,000 students have qualified as chartered accountants under me. Not only CA Inter, but CA Final students I'm talking about. And this is the time where you are going to step into those shoes of CA Final. So I wish you all the very best. And even 5,000 have crossed, doesn't matter. Our aim is always 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, as many as we can qualify, CA or CS or CMA. So I'll be working hard towards helping you to qualify. You work hard to qualify, and let's make your parents proud of you. All the very best, guys, and God bless you. Do not forget to watch the last video, words of wisdom, and copy these notes, after which you can sign off with me. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. I'm just showing you 148 also. If you want, you can take photos, screenshots, read it in leisure whenever you want.